Hello, and welcome to the wonderful world of mathematics. You're really going to enjoy this course. Why? Because math is everywhere. Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy food? I know I do. If you want to scale a recipe, well, you've come to the right place. Because every time you cook, you are using math. Do you like geometry? Looking at angles and area and volume. Together, we're going to learn how to calculate the volume of ancient Egyptian pyramids. And it's not just numbers anymore. We're going to introduce variables too, unknown numbers that you're going to be finding here in this course. You're going to learn about probability. Probability is so exciting because you get to find the odds of something happening or not happening. We're going to be looking at math not just with numbers and letters, but also with visuals, whether we're talking about a line graph, a bar graph, or even using double line number strategies. Not every lesson is going to be easy. The good news is, every challenge has a little bit of fun. You're gonna see me smiling a lot. Why? Well, because math is so fun. It's so fun, in fact, that sometimes it just won't make me sing about math. You're gonna see so many songs in this course. Yeah, 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 yeah. We're gonna learn new strategies, we're gonna sharpen the strategies you already know, and by the time you're done, you're gonna feel like a genius. And the skills that we learn are gonna help you better understand your world. So welcome on this mathematical journey. I'll be with you every step of the way. I'm Mark Rogers, and it is my pleasure to be your teacher.